Okay, I'm at Lake Ridge Apartments, and I'm on the lower lot of the north side. And this is a change order request, so I believe this is RFC number 2. Yeah, I believe it's RFC number 2. So I'm down here in this lower lot. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see stalls 72, 73, 74, 75, and so on. Building 903, you'll know you're in the right parking lot. Okay? Added curb and added asphalt. So let's start right here. I've marked everything off, and I showed Wepler where this added asphalt is and the added curb. So we're going to start here in this lower lot, and I'm going to give you the dimensions. But you've got a mold curb here. Okay, we're not putting that back in. We're putting in 6x8, and we will line up the face of our 6x8 with the face of this. So it's not going to match with this, but we can kind of taper it out, you know, about, I don't know, 8 to 10 inches, and just bring it back to here. Okay, but we want the face to line up here. All right, so it goes all the way down. You can see there's dirt here, but we dug it out to make sure that there's asphalt underneath, and there is. So the guys are gonna have to take their shovel, scoop it back a little bit. They can put the dirt right behind it. Okay, and we need to make a straight line. My line's not straight, but we need to snap in a straight line to go all the way down, do a 90, and then tie into that curb over there. I'm gonna give you that dimension here real quick. Okay, so I'm at the other end here, and measurement is 70 feet. There's 70 feet here, and you can see that there's a drain pipe right here. So we'll probably have to put a weep hole right there, and then the water will end up draining down to the drive aisle, and the flow will head out into the street and into their gutter, or catch basins, I should say. Okay, so 70 feet all around at a 90 and down there, and ties in. Now I'm going to take you up to the upper lot on this north side and show you the added asphalt and curbing. As a matter of fact, I'll walk around this way so that you'll know that you can go right out this entrance, head up the hill where that car is up there, and take a left, and that's the other entrance, and that's where we're going to look at some added asphalt and curb. Okay, I just came up the steps, and I'm near the north entrance, or excuse me, the upper lot entrance to the north end. Okay, as a reference, that's building that's address 1011 and 1013. Right here, we're going to add some asphalt, just like we did in the upper lot. So this is approximately 2 feet wide. Okay, 2 feet wide, and it's going to go all the way down. We're going to rip out this asphalt and curbing where I've got the layout lines. This right here, we'll cut that off, or we could just rip it right off, because they're going to end up removing all of this after we're done with our asphalt. But this is going to be where our asphalt line is. Originally I had it going back farther, but this is where our asphalt line is going to go. Okay, so but from here to there we've got 20 feet. So 20 feet by 2 feet we need to add onto this change order. So 20 feet of curbing we need to add. 6x8. This is the A mold stuff. We're ripping it out and putting in our mold. Okay, so 20 feet of that, and then 2 feet by 20 feet of asphalt. The removal on this is about, looks like about 15 inches, 16 inches or so. So it's about 16 inches by 20 feet that we're removing of asphalt. Looks like it's about 3 inches deep, and then we're putting in new asphalt down this line here. So we're widening that up. Okay. All this area right here is already included in the contract, where this curb's coming out and the asphalt's coming in. But here, we're gonna have this right here be as level as we can make it, and then it can drop off. The asphalt can just kind of drop off and then go down here to the edge of the curb. All right. This added curbing right here in the dirt is, looks like 11 feet. So let's factor in about 11 feet by 3 feet, or actually, excuse me, 11 feet by 2 feet in this area. So 3-inch depth. It'll be a little thicker right there, so it'll probably be about 5 or 6. unless we pack it with dirt and gravel and just, yeah, that's probably what we'll do, is just pack it with gravel and then bring it up to level here. And then we've got 11 feet of added extruded curb. So we got to remove 11 feet of curbing from there to here. All right, 11 feet, and then put back 11 feet of 6x8. So put that in the change order, please. Okay, so that's it down on this lower level, but on the north end. All right, now I'm going to take you up to the top where the guys are, and there's a little bit of extra curbing up there too. So let's go up there real quick. Okay, I'm going to try to talk loud so you can hear me, but this is where the trash enclosure was, and originally I had no curb where the trash enclosure was going. So that being said, we need to add from this location right here, curbing that goes right along the edge of the asphalt. And it's going to go from that staircase, it's going to go out another 18 feet. So if you measure 18 feet from the concrete right there and follow the asphalt, we've got 18 feet of added curb. This curbing that goes all along here and over to the sidewalk, it's part of the normal contract, except for in that back little corner. In that back little corner right there, we got to add, I think it was 8 feet of curbing. So 8 feet there, plus the 18 feet right here. We need to add that curb amount to this change order. And that is it. That's it. Thanks.